Hey, how's it going YouTube? MC Seth here, coming at you from the spare room. This time we're going to be talking about PlaceIt and how you can use it to make your print on demand as successful as it can be. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So for those of you who don't know, I'm DJ Seth, MC Seth, Seth, Joseph, whatever you want to call me, it's fine. If you can't remember that, it's on my shirt. There you go. And I run the Serial Carnage YouTube channel, and I basically give you tips, tricks and tutorials about how to make your print on demand company as good as it can be. Now this time we're talking about PlaceIt. Now PlaceIt is, I'm just going to switch over to my screen actually, there we go. So PlaceIt is another place where you can get free graphic designs made by other people that you can use commercially or personally in your own stuff. So you can use them in your print on demand business, and it's great. But the main reason I use PlaceIt is not for that. I use it for their mock-ups, which is so brilliant, and it's something I'm going to show you today. So I'm just gonna log in. There I am, and we're going to go to mock-ups. Actually, we'll go here. There we go. We can see, it's being a bit funny. We can see all of these t-shirt mock-ups and mask mock-ups and cup mock-ups. Now, what you do is you take your design and you put them on these, and you would put this either onto your Instagram or Facebook or even Pinterest. I use Pinterest quite a lot, and these are really good for that as well, because the life models is better than having your design just on a plain background. Even though some of these are on a plainish background, you can just use these for your designs, and they're really good. So the way you do it is you just click on one, and it gives you this sort of dashboard screen where you can change the color of the background of the shirt and upload your design on this side. It takes a little while sometimes just to kick in, but you know, that's like anything basically. And what you do is you click over here and insert your image, upload from your device. Now I'm not going to do that just now because you can imagine what it's going to look like. It's just going to be one of my designs on here. But then you'd go over here and you choose your color. But I don't do that either, because I have certain colors for certain designs. You can go down here and type in the hex code for the color. That's what I like to do, because I've already got the color set on the print on demand website I'm working with. So what you do is you go back to that print on demand website, just edit the product and just go and find out what the hex code is, and then bring it back here, put your design on it, boom, Bob's your uncle. And of course you could add text if you want, but there's no need to do that if your image has already got text on it. And then what you do is you can save it as a draft. Well, it's not going to let me download this because I haven't uploaded an image, but if I go to my downloads here, click. Sorry about the length of time this has taken. It's not usually this long. But you can see I've got a bunch of stuff here already that I've already got, that I've made into designs. These are a few of my earlier ones, and these are actually videos, which is awesome, because if you use Pinterest, as you know, a video, a moving picture is going to take somebody's attention more than a still. So these are really good. I'll just leave it running on one of these, and you can see that, you know, she's just stroking her hair in the mirror, but the image stays on there. And what I like to do is I like to take two video mock-ups and put them side by side in the same task or the same dash or whatever, and have them play back to back, and then make that into a video. If you guys want to see my full process in doing that, then I can make another video in the future. Just mention in the comments down below that that's what you want to see, and I'll do it for you. Because I don't mind doing that. It's quite a lengthy process, but it's something I like to do because I like making videos too. Obviously I'm on YouTube, and I'll show you the program that I use to put those together, because it does give you the option in these video mock-ups to add music, but I like to add music later on in another program. So yeah, if you guys want to see that full process, I'll be more than happy to show that to you. Yeah, just giving away my designs there. Have a little look. Yeah, if you haven't heard me speak about showing off my personal designs before, these are my thoughts on it. I don't care. If you're a thief, steal them. The fact is, I work harder than thieves, so I'm more likely to make the sale than they are just by stealing something and putting it up. Do you know what I mean? So don't worry about that stuff. Just do what you got to do. And then my thoughts on that. So that's how you'd use it. And you obviously, once you've made the mock-up, you can download it as many times as you like, because it's just going to stay here, which is awesome. And you can see I've used a couple to make I don't remember writing these. I might have saved these by accident, but they're not mine. Well, they are, I guess, because I made them, but I don't remember making them. Obviously, I've got picture ones too. But you can do so much on here. And let's make a design. We go t-shirt designs. You can see how easy it is to make a t-shirt on here. It's so simple. Now, if you hover over a design, you should be able to see different versions of that design. So if you like it, you can just click on it. And it will bring it up into that dashboard that you saw earlier. And you can play with it, edit things, move things around. I'll show you some of that as well. So you can see over here that it's got equality diversity as the keyword, bringing up that picture there. So we can move that around. That's cool. You can change the color of that as well, I believe. Where was that gone? I'm not sure about that one. But anyways, yeah, if we just change a keyword to something like dog, we can see that one still coming up. But there's a dog here with some sauce on it. Boom. And you're very... I swear there was another color button before where I could change the color of this graphic, but it doesn't seem to be here at the moment. It was just under this one, so you can choose another color for your graphic. Am I looking in the wrong place? But yeah, anyway, onto the text. You can see this has got 2 lines of text separated by these 2 boxes in there, and this is where you can choose the font. Now the fonts are all commercially available, so you can use them all, which is brilliant. So you don't have to, you know, if you're in Photoshop, I use Photoshop quite a lot to make designs, and each time I select a font, I have to go onto the internet to make sure I can use that font. On this program, you do not have to do that because they've done that for you, which is brilliant. So if we look at pricing now, you can see unlimited is $14.95 a month or $89.69 a year, slightly less than Canva, but there's tons and tons and tons on here, and it's slightly different from Canva in the way that you can make those mock-ups and stuff. And if that's really what you want to do, your marketing side, then this is the one I'd choose. Obviously I've got a affiliate link down in the description below, so you can click that and I'll get a little kickback if you do sign up for the pro account. But I just use this for free at the moment. Like I said, I make most of my stuff in Photoshop, and I have very little designs like this. A lot of my designs are just patterns and stuff. So if this is the sort of stuff that you are looking at, you know, getting into proper niches and stuff like that, I don't have a niche store, I have a general store, so that's why I do what I do. But if you've got like niche stuff, then you can just type your niche up here. Just type in niche, and we've got this nice hot dog there because there's nothing coming up for niche, but you can type any word in there and it's going to give you a ton of graphics. And the difference between the free graphics and the paid graphics is going to have a little picture of a crown on there. So I don't know why they choose a crown, like it's a royal thing or something like that. But yeah, you'll see a little picture of a crown and you'll know that it's pro, so you have to pay for those ones. So that, my friends, is PlaceIt, and it's a very good website. I suggest you get a little look around, even if you don't use it at all. Just have a little look and see what other people are doing, see what other designs as well, because you can get a lot of inspiration just by looking at pictures. You know, if you just type in dog or cat or whatever your subject is into that branch, then you can get a lot of inspiration from other people's designs, which is cool as well. So you can just use it for that if you want to. But anyway, I'm not wasting any more of your time. This is DJ Seth out. Peace.